Welcome to creating a PayPal account. You're going to want to go to your My eBay account settings, scroll all the way down to PayPal and click on Link Your PayPal Account. Now that'll take you to a screen where you can press Set Up PayPal Account or register your PayPal account. You want to choose your email address associated with your PayPal account, create a password, and confirm that password. You're going to have to review your account information and click Continue. Now return to eBay because you're going to have to link your PayPal account, type in your PayPal email address that you just set up, and type in your PayPal password. Click on Link Your Account. Now you're almost done linking accounts. Return to My eBay, and now your eBay account is linked with your PayPal account. Now that your eBay and PayPal account are linked, you're going to want to go to paypal.com, sign in with your username and password, and click Login. Now you're going to want to update your account information by answering security question 1 and security question 2. This will secure your PayPal account because anytime you're dealing with money, you want it to be as secure as possible.
Once you sign up for a PayPal account and make your first sale, you'll notice that eBay holds the sale transaction money in your PayPal account for up to 21 days. This is to prevent fraudulent transactions. eBay has standards that you need to live up to in order for you to sell items on eBay long term. You need to be patient because eventually you will not have that 21-day limit placed on you. This is only for new sellers to prevent fraud. When you upload your tracking number for each order, PayPal will release the funds 2 to 3 business days after your customer's order has been received. To start, PayPal charges 2.9 merchant account fee on every transaction. The more you start selling, it will automatically be lowered to 2.5 or 2.2 depending on the volume of your sales. You will get to the point eventually, you just need to be patient.